Chapter 5. Accessing Full-Text New York State Library Journals through PubMed. When searching for articles in PubMed, you can create a filter that will tell you which journal articles are full-text through the New York State Library. To create a filter for the New York State Library journals in PubMed, you'll need to log in to MyNCBI. On this screen, log into your MyNCBI account. If you're a first-time user, register for a free account. Once you've created your MyNCBI account and logged in, you'll be able to look in the top right corner of the screen and see the username you created. Now, let's create a filter for the New York State Library journals in PubMed. We'll go to MyNCBI. To set up the filter, we'll click on Search Filters. From here, we'll choose the database PubMed. Next, we'll search for the New York State Library filter. From the list of PubMed filters, we'll choose the New York State Education Department New York State Research Library filter. Next, we'll select Add as a Filter and Add as a Link icon. While we're here, we can also add a filter for the Upstate Health Sciences Library journals. From the list of filters, we'll choose SUNY Upstate Medical University Health Sciences Library. We'll select Add as a Filter and Add as a Link icon. Now that we've created a filter for New York State Library journals and Upstate Health Sciences Library journals, we'll go to PubMed and try a search. Let's try a search for carpal tunnel syndrome. On the results screen in the top right corner, we can see filters for full text at the New York State Library and Upstate Medical University. The New York State Library filter is showing us that there are 1,581 results in full text through the New York State Library journals. Let's try our filter. On this screen, we can see that all 1,581 results should be full text through the New York State Library. Let's check one of the citations. On the results screen for the citation, if we look in the top right corner, we see a link for online full text. If we click this link, we should be able to get the full text for this article through the New York State Library. This is the results page for the New York State Library. For this citation, we can see that content is available via the following links. We'll go to the journal through the Science Direct Freedom Collection. We'll log in using our New York State Library card to access the full text of this article. After successfully logging into the New York State Library, we can browse the journal for the full text of the article.